Good morning, friends. It is 4:24 in the morning and we're off to Disney today.
I gotta go, running to better times, go.
I'm just a little tired, so I think I'm gonna finish getting ready, eat a little breakfast, bring that with us in the car, and we're going to Florida, so hallelujah. For the rental car, and I can't believe how many people are in line to rent cars. It is bananas. So crazy. Okay, so we have made it to our Universal Studios day. Ooh. But we parked, it's like 11:45 I think right now, and we parked on the roof of the building. So I've never been up here ever. We called and checked if it was at capacity yet, but it wasn't. So fingers crossed that it's still not. But they said Volcano Bay was. So hopefully we'll be able to get into the park today. So we are just walking out of the security line. There was hardly any wait, only because I think it's close to noon and most people have gotten through security. We're trying to avoid the walkways just because, like, you can see there's a lot of people building up there, but it was pretty smooth. It only took us about 10 minutes to walk from the car to get through security, and now we're getting ready to go through City Walk. Oh, good old City Walk. Here you are. I do miss you. I love this movie theater over here. But City Walk. We finally made it to Florida. And we are approaching the Arches. If you guys have never been over to the Hard Rock, it is over there, as well as the Portofino, but wow, Mardi Gras international flavors of Carnival. So we're gonna go scan in, maybe go to ET. Whew. So we are just passing Gru. We love Gru. And over here, we've got, oh, Vector. We've also got Vector from Despicable Me. And we've got some Mardi Gras stuff. Yes, Vector. Hey, maybe we'll go meet him. We just met Vector over here. We met Gru and the girls, and we're heading over to one of the Mardi Gras floats right here because they're throwing some beads. So look at that. Ooh. Oh, okay, here we go. I got it. I love it. So they've got some of the parade floats out here in the street. So they've got some awesome team members over here throwing Mardi Gras beads. Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you. I've gotten a lot of Mardi Gras beads now, you'll see, but they've also got people on the stilts there. We've got the horror makeup show. I think we're gonna head over to
15 next, we can go to your show.
Oh, what time is it right now?
10 after.
Oh, I guess we should go do that first. Okay, let's go to the horror makeup show. These are one of my favorite cues to come in here. Here we go.
What idiot! And I was like, that's not even creative. And he's like, how's this? And he took his wand and he was like, he had a snake on his patch. He was like,
So one really cool thing about Universal right now is that they have a lot of characters, and I mean, we haven't been to Disney yet, but they've got a lot of performers out here too. But for Mel's Drive-In, the line wraps around there, which is crazy. So we actually ended up making a virtual queue for Jimmy Fallon, so we're gonna head over there. The extended queue is out for Transformers, and it said it was a 40-minute wait, but we've got the extended queue all the way down there. We're gonna head over here quickly, try and find a less crowded path to Jimmy Fallon. So we have gone to Jimmy Fallon. You can see kind of the crowd levels, there's a lot, but we've got some awesome parade floats over here. The tribute store is right over there, but I really like this pirate one. So on to Jimmy Fallon we go. Here we are, getting ready for the Blues Brothers. Woo!
Everybody let him hear you. I said, everybody, make some noise. Get your hand in the ball. Give the cancer the handicap. The stars of the show. They know which way to go. Up and down. You know what I'm talking about. Here they are. It's the Subway. It's the Blues. All right, Elwood. Show what you got, baby. Show what you got. It's Elwood. It's Jay. That's where we're going on. Everybody, get those hands together. Get them together. Get them up there.
That much social distancing going on right now, which is not good, but here we go. There's everyone. We're on a bench right now, so we've got some. So we just finished the Blues Brothers show, which was awesome, and so we're gonna go head over to Men in Black, which is a 20-minute wait, and then hopefully E.T. 20-minute wait as well. So here we go. If you would like to meet the Blues Brothers, you can actually come and take pictures with them after their show, but here's their car as well. So we got this vegan bratwurst, and my parents got the regular bratwurst one from the Germany-inspired booth, and so we're gonna see how this tastes. So they put a little bit of mustard underneath the bun there, but we put, I didn't know, I put more mustard on top, but it tastes like one of the Beyond sausages, so I'm gonna keep eating. We just finished our bratwurst. My parents said that they would totally order it again. I think I would too, but there was a lot of spicy mustard on the bottom of it, and it hit you like right at the end for me. They had put a lot of onions on mine, which is okay, but I ended up taking a bunch off. But I would definitely get it again. So here we are in front of Diagon Alley. So we've got this amazing fountain here. Also over here in this building, you can see Creature peek out once in a while. You think he's in that window right there. The night bus is over here. We're looking out at the beautiful lake, the Simpsons ride, MIB over here, and some more Mardi Gras stuff along the bridge. So we have made our way over to the Bourne Stuntacular show. It was our first time seeing it since they redid it into this show. So we're very excited. It starts in about 15 minutes. Also, on Hollywood Boulevard here, there aren't that many people, which is very nice. I like having my space. So we are on our way out of the park. We actually didn't end up seeing the show, so hopefully another day, but it's just been a very long day of traveling, and we are exhausted. It's a little after 4 o'clock, so we're gonna head out and start to unpack our stuff. We'll see you tomorrow, Universal.
Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remember.